to our Positive Action Assembly for November. Remember, during our assembly, when someone is talking up here, we are not, our voices are off. If an adult comes up here and raises their hand, that means we've got too many of our audience members talking. And we need to remember that we are not talking as the audience. Please remember, especially 5th grade, because we changed this, we are not going to clap until every name is read. The adults will start clapping so that you will know when it is time, which I know is a change from what you all did last year. Please remember that the assembly is being recorded and is going to be sent out to families. We don't want them to have to see that we raise our hand all the time because you're talking, right? We want our families to see that you can handle this and remain quiet. If that's going to be a distraction, then we'll sit you somewhere else. Thank you. When you hear your name called, please come to the front and you're going to stand along the line right up here. And then you're going to go out that door to have Mrs. Filer take your picture. If there's only 2 or 3 of you, we may just take your picture in the gym, but we'll tell you that when the time comes. As soon as all names are called, again, you'll go out for a picture. We will clap when they are all up here, okay? Our first award that I want to tell you about is the Roar Award. This award is given to the class that has the best behavior during our assembly. Our specials teachers and other adults will be watching, and they will select the class who will be able to use our special seating during the next assembly. They are looking for classrooms who are following all of the assembly expectations. Congratulations to Mrs. Henderson's class. They were our recipients of the Roar Award for this assembly. They have earned their seats today by showing a great example of proper assembly expectations during our last assembly. Everyone else, remember you have the opportunity to be just as comfortable as they are, but it's up to you. The adults will be watching. Okay, we're gonna start recording.
Yeah, I already did.
You already did?
So I'll cut that out, it's fine.
Okay. Welcome. We have been working hard during the first few months of school. And at this time, we're going to spend a little bit of time celebrating our successes. We will begin by standing without a voice and facing the flag for the national anthem. Ms. Colston is going to introduce that.
Thank you very much. Aubrey is going to be playing our Star Spangled Banner today on the recorder. Great job to Aubrey. I have no idea how she stood up here and did that because it was incredible. Next we have Mrs. Hours. All right, boys and girls.
Today I'm going to recognize the Kiwanis Terrific Kids Character Trait of the Month recipients. This award is given to one student in every classroom. The classroom teacher chooses the student they feel has done the best job of exhibiting the character trait of the month. This month's character trait is self-control. To have self-control means that you are able to think about what you say before you say it and be safe with your body, even in difficult or emotional situations. So, now for our fourth graders, congratulations to Millie Wolf, Toby Giamalva, Jackson Gregory, Gavin Gunnert, Jackson Whelan, and Corbin Huff. From 5th grade, we have Kaylin Holt, Emily Moyers, Javriel Besserell, Keon Vodka, Patience Atkinson, and Adriana Bruce. To our recipients, you will get t-shirts and you will get those on Monday. All right, next month's character trait will be empathy. Being empathetic or having empathy means understanding and feeling how someone feels. Next, I'll invite up Mrs. Henderson to present our Service Above Self Award.
I will be presenting the Service Above Self Award. This award is given each month at McEowen to a student who has gone out of their way to help others and make their school or community a better place through the giving of their time and service. Any staff member or teacher may nominate an individual for this award. I would like to invite our Rotary Club member up to help pass out this honor. Betty? All right, this teacher writes, this young man has collected pop tabs through Boy Scouts for months in order to raise funds to help pay off any negative lunch balances in our school. From Mr. Hurley's class, congratulations, Dalton. Next up is Ms. Powers with the writing award.
Hi guys, next up we have the Writer of the Month. Classroom teachers choose one student they feel has done an outstanding job with their writing this month, whether that is growing in your writing skills or an outstanding effort on a specific project. These students have worked hard in writing. Our fourth graders are Aria Johnson, Lizzie Gabriel, Kalia Clark, Brecklin Wilson, Ray Passell, and Zane Dennis. Our fifth graders are Caleb Bird, Hadley Likes, Jake Butler, Charlie Bollinger, Emma Rorthig, and Bella Clayton. Next up, Mr. Hurley will present our Reading Award.
Awesome. All right. Thank you guys. You're doing great. It's my honor to present the Reader of the Month Award. This is a great award I especially love. But this award is given to one student from each class who is chosen by their classroom teacher. These students have done an outstanding and amazing job with their reading over the past month. Whether they've been participating in class above and beyond, whether they've been completing their work, maybe they've been requesting their teachers with their assignments, or they've been practicing at home, doing reading logs and filling out extra things to show their teachers that they're trying more and above and beyond. They've gone above and beyond what was expected to achieve and improve their reading. From 4th grade, we have Ivy Calloway, Willow Person, Duke Baldwin, Aiden Keller, Britton Schroeder, and Kason Bales. Congratulations, 4th grade. From Cooper Williams, Jocelyn Daniel, Emma Britton, Katie Biggs, Phoenix Lucart, and Brantley Payne. Nice job, 5th grade. Way to go, readers. All right, now I get to invite Mrs. Johnson to come up and share about our Blue Barrel. Never mind, not Mrs. Johnson, because again, I should have remembered to change that. All right, Mrs. Brown is going to come and talk about Blue Barrel collections, as well as our lucky winner of the t-shirt for their donations. Many of you guys see this Blue Barrel as we go to lunch. It is not a recycling bin, it's actually where we put our donations. So we've been donating, what have we been donating this month? Somebody, Emma, what have we been donating? PJs, which a lot of you are wearing today. All right, pass it off.
All right, we would like to recognize the students who accomplished the My 42 challenge for the month of November. These students collected at least 25 pop tabs from the Ronald McDonald House, made a card to thank the veteran, and donated winter PJs to the Blue Barrel. Please stand when your name is called to be recognized. Lyra Dominic, Kylie Johnson, Michaela Coffey, Izzy Morales, Aubrey Hull, Raylan Neal, Emma Warwick, Savannah Carver, Brantley Graw, Georgie Kaufman, Harper Shoemaker, Grace Malone, Jace Thomas, Adeline Cheney, Waylon Hufford, Brecklin Wilson, Caden Brown, Elio Ramirez, Haley Brown, Roman Witherspoon, Leah Lake, and McKinley Marriott. My 42 t-shirt winner is Brantley Graw. Alright, thank you for your service this month. December's challenge is again to collect pop tabs for the Ronald McDonald House. Make a card to give an elderly resident at a nursing home, which you can turn in with your checklist, and donate to any program helping families out this Christmas. This could include Adopt a Family within your classroom, or from the school elf treat, an angel treat at a store, or the Samaritan's Purse shoe boxes. Thanks for your time, talent, and treasure this month. And then next up we have Mrs. Thurman for Art in the Community.
Okay, up next is going to be Mr. Keeney. Fourth and fifth graders, it is absolutely okay to be excited that Mr. Keeney is coming up, but remember, we are silent. Thank you.
Okay, guys, I've got 2 students from 4th grade and 5th grade. Okay, these students exemplified good sportsmanship. They were willing to try their best, and probably most importantly, they had a good attitude, whether they won or they lost. Okay, these students from 4th grade, Chase Peschel, Leah Lake, and then 5th grade, I have Jocelyn Daniel and Katie Biggs. Next up is I don't know who. Mr. Back.
All right, my friends. Congrats to our PE winners. I have our students of the month. Your teachers can nominate any student they want to in their class. The student of the months are going to be kiddos that are representing themselves in all areas. This is academically, behaviorally, socially, and this is how you choose to interact with your peers and classmates, as well as the adults throughout the building. When your teacher nominates you, they write a little message for you as well, so I'll read that. We end up selecting one boy and one girl from each grade, and I'll start with our 4th graders. From 4th grade, this teacher writes, "This young man can always be found using his time wisely throughout the day. Oftentimes, he is reading or completing other work when he's finished with his class assignments. However, his greatest trait is that he shows the ability to patiently help and explain difficult math topics to his classmates in order to help them understand. He is an overall great example to all of his classmates. From Mr. Hurley's class, congratulations to Marcus McEowen. Congrats, Marcus. All right, for our girl from 4th grade, this student is consistently displaying helpfulness in our classroom, whether it is helping a classmate or helping me. She is always ready to lend a helping hand, and she is such a generous spirit. And she is never afraid to tell me when I have bumps in my hair. From Mrs. Jimenez's class, Adeline Campbell. All right, 5th grade. We'll start with our 5th grade boy. This teacher writes, this gentleman is friendly to the core. His positive and outgoing personality shines daily in our classroom. He does great work in every subject and is always striving to be and do better. From Mrs. Neal's class, congratulations to Tyson Tucker. All right, 5th grade girl. This student is an all-around fabulous student. She shines in academics and school-wide expectations. She is a kind friend to others and steps up in the classroom as a leader. From Mrs. Brown's class, congratulations to Trinity Good. Congratulations to all of our students of the month. Thank you guys. I will invite Dr. Polky up for any final announcements.
Congratulations to all of our award winners today. I also want to say thank you to both 4th and 5th grade. I think you guys did a great job for the most part of staying silent when our speakers were talking, so thank you. I think that our adults around the room are going to have a really hard time determining whose class gets the Roar Award. As far as announcements, I want to remind you all that we are doing our theme days every day in the month of December. Monday is Snowman Day, so feel free to dress in your snowman attire. Otherwise, that is our assembly for today. Congratulations, and we will look to your teacher to leave. Remember, we are voices off.